Let's bite into the delicious world of apples and uncover how they make us healthy. Apples are packed with fiber, keeping our digestive system happy and regular. Apple peel is rich in antioxidants that protects our cells. They are low in calories, so it's a perfect snack for weight management. But apples are hydrating, contain about 86% water, perfect for staying refreshed. Chomping on apples strengthen your teeth and gums. An apple a day can keep the doctor away. Subscribe for more. Let's bite into the delicious world of apples.